prevention. And if we look at the global scenario, it is estimated that approximately 3.7 million Delhis are lost due to premature deaths due to this killer disease, and approximately 59,000 deaths are reported every year. And major contributor towards this disease is India, and which is contributing to 30% deaths due to rabies. And the estimated economic cost of dog-mediated rabies is estimated to be $8.6 billion. Recently, a million death study that has been estimated, and it has given a figure of approximately 12,700 deaths which are occurring due to furious rabies. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Island. So if we look at the global scenario, there have been success stories which has been reported from many countries across the world. If we look at the Latin America and Caribbean, Bangladesh, Mexico, Philippines, South Africa, and our neighborhood country Sri Lanka, United Republic of Tanzania, and there is a very successful drive for rabies elimination is ongoing in our neighboring country in the Bhutan. So this map, global map, that is the courtesy of OIE, and it shows that the rabies is endemic in all over the world except few of the places. So if we look at the journey for the rabies in India, it had been a long journey. So Zoonosis Division of NCDC that has a dedicated laboratory on rabies since last 4 decades, and NCDC is a designated WHO collaborating center for rabies. So if we look at the nerve tissue vaccine which has been phased out from India, and the cell culture vaccine was introduced in 2006, the DCGI has again taken an important step and approved the intradermal route for the rabies prophylaxis. Take a pause. आपका screen share नहीं हो रहा. New share.
Make it full screen.
Yeah.
Screen is visible, but in presentation mode.
To improve coverage and compliance of post-exposure prophylaxis in the animal bite victims. And apart from this, the important objective is to build the general awareness in the community about this furious disease. The key strategies under the program are capacity building of all healthcare professionals on the animal bite management, and to promote the cost-effective intradermal rabies vaccine for rabies post-exposure prophylaxis. And apart from this, we are also looking at to strengthen the rabies diagnostic capacity across the country. And one of the important objectives is to strengthen the surveillance of animal bites and rabies cases. Information, education and communication is also one of the key activity. Apart from this, we are also looking at strengthening intersectoral coordination among all the stakeholders and to promote operational research in the rabies area. So if you look at a glance for the rabies burden in India, the NRCP has collected data from states, and we have been able to gather the information about 600 to 800 deaths per year, which are the clinical suspected rabies. The Central Bureau of Health Investigation that underreports the data, and they are able to give data only 70 to 100 deaths, which are the hospital reports deaths due to rabies. But we have the only study available with us, which is the WHO APCRI survey, which was conducted long back in the year 2004. And this has estimated magnitude of 20,000 annual deaths. The million death study, I have already spoken about this. In the year 2012 has estimated approximately 12,000 deaths due to rabies in a year. The IDSP, the Integrated Disease Surveillance Project, which is a key surveillance project of Government of India, which captures data on all health events, that reports 6 to 7 million of animal bites in a year. So these are the few slides which shows the data on the animal bite incidence. So if we look at the data in the 2019, there are 73 lakhs animal bite victims which has reported under the integrated disease surveillance project. So the number is quite huge. So we have also able to collect the cases cases of the rabies deaths in the hospitals and those who have been left against medical advice. So in the 2019, approximately 186 deaths due to rabies has occurred and 340 clinical suspected rabies that has been reported in the various facilities. So we have also tried to capture the data and requested the Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries to provide the deaths in the animals. So there is a huge livestock which is suffering from this furious disease. So if you look at this spike, this is the Kerala wherein 8,086 deaths has occurred in 2014. This was due to a rabies outbreak in the livestock. So if you look at, there are to the extent of 383 deaths which has been reported in 2018. So recent data is not available with us, but it is date backing to the 2018. So this is a snapshot about the program progress as of now. So if we look at the surveillance part, the animal bite surveillance and human rabies surveillance data is being captured in all the states and UTs through integrated health information platform, which is now trying to capture the real time, information about the animal bites and rabies deaths. And we have also incorporated few of the modified formats in this IHIP platform. Apart from this, we are also undertaking the periodic trainings of all the healthcare professionals on management of animal bites and human rabies. So as of now, many states are undertaking